In today's video, I'm going to teach you why is ClickUp so slow, how to make ClickUp faster. If your workspace feels sluggish, the most common culprit is bloat, too many active spaces, projects, and lists that ClickUp has to load every time. Today, we'll speed things up by safely archiving old work you no longer need in your day-to-day views. Archiving reduces what ClickUp has to render without deleting anything. Start by opening ClickUp and heading to the area where you manage your hierarchy. In the left sidebar, go to the Remap or Spaces view so you can see all your team spaces and the projects inside them. This is the best place to clean up at scale, because you can quickly spot areas that are inactive or finished. Next, select the team space you want to optimize. Click the team space to focus on it, then open it so you can see its folders, projects, and lists. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right place and that the work you're about to archive is genuinely complete or no longer needed in your active workflow. Now choose the specific project you want to clean up. Click on the project to open it. If it's an old initiative or a completed release that no one needs to touch regularly, it's a great candidate for archiving. Keeping it active adds extra load to views and filters, especially in large workspaces. Open the project's drop-down menu to reveal its options. Look for the small arrow or caret next to the project name and click it. From the menu, select Archive. Archiving removes the project from active views and calculations, while keeping all tasks, comments, files, and history intact. You can unarchive it later if you need to bring it back into active work. If you still see items nested under that project, open the three-dot menu on those remaining elements and archive them as well. This ensures that the entire project and its child items are moved out of your active workspace, which has the biggest performance payoff. The goal is to reduce how much ClickUp needs to fetch and render every time you open a space or switch views. A few quick tips as you go. Archiving is reversible, so when in doubt, archive instead of deleting. Communicate with your team before archiving shared work, and add a short note in your documentation about where archived items live. Finally, make this a routine. Periodically review team spaces and archive completed projects to keep ClickUp fast and responsive. That's it. By moving inactive work to the archive, you'll notice snappier loading, cleaner views, and a smoother experience across your workspace.